Issues. A. Vocabulary. Listen, point, and say. Face. Salad. Teeth. Hand. Hair. Face. Salad. Teeth. Hand. Hair. B. Let's be clean. 1. Listen and say. 1. I wash my hands. 2. I wash my face. 3. I brush my hair. 4. I wash the salad. 5. I brush my teeth. 1. I wash my hands. 2. I wash my face. 3. I brush my hair. 4. I wash the salad. 5. I brush my teeth. 2. Read and color. 1. I wash, brush my hair. 2. I brush my teeth, hands. 3. I wash the salad, face. 4. I wash, brush my face. Three. Look and complete. Wash, brush. 1. I, my face. 2. I, my hair. 3. I, my hands. 4. I, my teeth. Four. Look and color. Is the boy or girl clean? Yes, green. No, red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.